35 even, I'm going to say. I do believe my backup is on its way. The Austin Healey's right now. Soft top, the convertible version there. Now, back in the day, the current distinction. We're talking about the current distinction. We've got Mr. Harrison coming past the commentary box now, and he's Triumph at Mayflower. I knew I'd annoy him by saying Mayflower. The renown with the running boards. Now there is a huge difference. You will, when we see the Mayflower come round, which I think we've got one on the side, it doesn't have the fantastic running boards. Oh, look at this weird now.